Hello everyone. Today I'm taking a small topic from class 12 chemistry. Chapter name is General Principles and Process of Isolation of Elements. Topic is vapor phase refining. In vapor phase refining, we have to study two processes. The first one is Mond's process, which is used for purification of nickel element. Another one is Arkel De Boer process, which is used for purification of zirconium or titanium elements. Let us take the first one, the vapor phase refining, or you can say what are the principles involved in refining of metals by vapor phase refining method. So here we will see the impure metal is first converted to an intermediate compound. The intermediate compound will be volatile and unstable in nature. Then after, whatever the vapors of the compounds are formed, they are subjected to high temperature, due to which the decomposition process will take place, and finally we will get down the pure metal. This is the principle behind the refining process, that is your vapor phase refining. Let us see the first one, that is your Mond process. The Mond process is used for purification of nickel metal, or you can say nickel element. Here two steps are involved. In the first step we will see that how the nickel, that is your impure form of nickel, is there, which is present in powdered form. It is heated at a temperature of 330 to 350 Kelvin of temperature. Then after, a stream of carbon monoxide gas is passed through it, due to which a specific reaction will take place, and that lead to the formation of a compound, that is your tetracarbonyl nickel. That compound is having some characteristic features, that is, it is volatile, it is unstable, and it is an intermediate compound. Then whatever the intermediate compound is present is further heated to a temperature of 450 to 470 Kelvin temperature, due to which the decomposition process will take place, and finally we will get it down the pure form of nickel, and the remaining product, that will be CO, that is carbon monoxide, which can be recycled further. So this is how the Mond process will take place. Here some questions are related to the Mond process are given. What is the role of carbon monoxide in the refining of crude nickel? The answer could be in this way. It helps in the formation of volatile, unstable and intermediate compound whose decomposition gives a pure nickel. That is what the main rule of CO is there in the refining of crude nickel. Let us go for the next method, that is your Van Arkel De process. Here also two steps are involved, and this method we are using it for purification of zirconium and titanium elements. In the first step we will see that we have the crude metal. This crude metal is heated with the iodine in an evacuated chamber to obtain metal iodide. The metal iodide is also volatile in nature. So whatever the elements we want to purify, let's have the reaction for it. So here we have zirconium, that is an impure form, iodine, which is taken in a vapor form, it is passed through it, and temperature of 250 degrees Celsius is maintained. So we will get a metal iodide, and here it will be zirconium iodide, that is ZrI4. That is also a volatile compound. Let us see for titanium, same impure titanium element is taken. It is passed through, or the iodine vapors are passed through this particular element at 250 degrees Celsius temperature, and we will get down the metal iodide, that is your TiI4, which is a volatile compound. What is there in the second step? Then in the second step we have to increase the temperature. So for increasing the temperature we are taking a tungsten filament, and the temperature reaches to 1400 degrees Celsius. When this 1400 degrees Celsius temperature, which is present in a tungsten filament, comes in contact of metal iodide, that is your ZrI4, or you can say TiI4, both are highly volatile and unstable, due to which the decomposition process will take place, and that is leading to the formation of pure metal. It means the pure metal is getting deposited on the filament, and the remaining will be your iodine gas. So in this way, the reaction process happens. That is, your Van Arkel De Boer process will take place. Now there are some questions related to this process also. Let us have some of these questions. Give the names of some impurities which can be removed by Van Arkel De Boer method. The impurities which can be removed are oxygen and nitrogen. Here one question is that give one limitation of Van Arkel De Boer process. The main limitation which is given here, it is highly expensive method. And give some metals names which can be purified by Van Arkel De Boer process. The metals are zirconium, titanium and boron. What is the role of iodine in the refining of zirconium, or why iodide of metals are employed in Van Arkel De Boer process? Here it is mentioned that because the iodides are least stable of all the halides, because of less stability, thus they are easily decomposed to give pure metal. Indicate the principle behind the method used for refining of zirconium. So we have the impure zirconium metal which is reacting with iodine, and it is forming a volatile ZrI4, means a volatile compound, which when heated at high temperature, which getting decomposed to give pure zircon. That is the principle behind your Van Arkel De Boer process method. Thank you.